Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the S9 Ultra smartwatch. It is the next generation Watch Ultra clone smartwatch in the market. Remember, we have the first generation, I think the S8 Ultra smartwatch. So this time we have the S9 Ultra smartwatch, still in the affordable range. Okay, cheap smartwatches, affordable smartwatches. So we are going to have the unboxing of this one. We'll check on the contents as well as the menus and features. Are there any changes on the menus and on the UI? We'll check it out. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we are ready now, so let's check. Okay, let's explore the contents of the S9 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, I am wondering why this packaging is very big or wide. Okay, usually we do have this type of packaging, okay, in a rectangular size box. Okay, compact box, but this one, okay, we have a very, okay, flat, wide packaging for the S9 Ultra. So let's check it out. Okay, so there's some details here. Lock plus screw. Okay, seems like they have a typo here. 49mm 3-pair strap, so it has a free strap. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, I'm interested to see. Okay, so let's remove this plastic. Okay, I think I have to use some ball pen to remove this one. Okay, okay, Smartwatch S9 Ultra. So let's check the contents. Okay, and we have a big user manual. Okay, so it is using a Fit Pro. Okay, as I have stated, it's an affordable smartwatch. Okay, most affordable smartwatch. Okay, especially in the ultra clone category. Okay, it's using a Fit Pro or the HRY Fine app or Harry Fine app. Okay, available in Android and iOS. Okay, and of course we have here the strap. So we have the smartwatch. Yes, it is really 49mm. Okay, I'm impressed. Usually it is in the 45mm category, and of course they don't have a real screw and the real watch strap lock. Usually it's a fake, just a drawing, but this one, it has a real lock strap. Okay, okay, on the side, let's see. Okay, it looks like a premium 49mm. Okay, when it comes to the design here. Okay, as you can see here, it has a real screw. Okay, very far from the S8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, and this is what I'm interested. We have a 3 straps here. Okay, we have the usual silicone strap, and as you can see here, it's already metal here, not just a rubber. Okay, and we have a metal strap, stainless steel, magnetic, and we have the nylon strap. Okay, so it will be our first, okay, try to have a nylon strap for Watch Ultra clone smartwatches. Okay, we do hope that this thing or this strap will look good. Okay, seems like it is a secure strap. Okay, again, the contents are the user manual, of course, the strap. We have a metal strap here, we have a nylon strap, and we have a flexible silicone strap. It's all complete. Okay, and of course I'm looking for the charging cable. We do hope that it is included. Okay, there are times that we all have the accessories except for the charging cable, and we have here the magnetic charging cable. Okay, S9 Ultra smartwatch. So let's check the description here. Okay, Fit Pro. Okay, we have all the details. Okay, let's check for the specs. Okay, for the specs, let me put this back. Okay, let's remove the charging cable. Again, this is the S9 Ultra smartwatch. So for the specs here, so we have system requirements or compatibility, Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0 and above, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.0 inch square, okay, or rectangular screen display with 240 by 286 pixel resolution. We have 200 mAh battery, wireless charging, and it's using the Fit Pro app. So we have here the features: heart rate, blood pressure, Bluetooth call. Okay, it has the usual features here. Okay, so again, let's check. Okay, I'm interested to see the weight here. Okay, so let's see. 00. So we have just 41.05 with the strap. We have 61.85 grams. So depending the weight will with strap, it will depend on whether it is using the metal strap or the flexible silicone strap. How about this one? Let's see. So this one, it is a bit heavy with 75 grams in weight. I guess this one is light. So it's around 57. Okay, the lightest among the strap. Okay, so we are not going to check on the dimension already, although we have here. Okay, I think we're just going to check on the thickness here. So it's still around 10 without the sensor here, as you can see. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's check on the black border here on the side. So it has a 2.01 inch screen. I think this is the power button. If not, we'll check this one. Okay, okay, so seems like we do have a zero battery. Okay, depleted. So I'm going to charge it, and we'll just see the display screen here. Okay, we'll just have a preview. Okay, as you can see, we are now charging the smartwatch. Okay, let's remove this first. Okay, we'll see the screen display later on. Okay, in just a few moments. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, so let's check the screen display. Seems like we do have enough battery, I think. So we have here the smartwatch and of course the screen display. Let's see if we can change the watch face here. Okay, so we can see the border. As you can see here, we do have a very slim black border. Okay, nice. Okay, it's still okay. So we have at least 3 watch faces here. Okay, now on the top we have the notifications. So seems like we do have the same UI with the S8 Ultra. I don't know if there are additional features, but so far when you are trying to access the contents here, the menus, the same UI here, or the same process. Okay, so working rotary button, this physical button, it's a return button. Well, this one, okay, it is a dedicated sports function for the physical button here, the orange action button. Okay, this one, okay, so press to activate the menu. On top, notifications. On the bottom part, we have the quick settings, and this one, this is the return button. Okay, so let's try to attach at least one. Okay, strap here. I think I'm going to use the metal strap. Okay, so let's try. So how do we attach this strap? Where is top and where is bottom? Okay, can we remove this? Okay, I think the method here is like this. So this is for the lock here. Okay, so let's try. Let's slide it. Oh no. Okay, and that's it. Then for the lock, so let's attach this one. I do hope that will not break this thing. Okay, yeah, it is fully attached now. And how do we lock this thing? Okay, my mistake. You have to put this back first. Then attach this one. Okay, so that's it. Okay,